see, we are going to find the melting point of the ice. Already we discussed about what is meant by melting. Okay, melting is a process in which solid substance converts to liquid at constant temperature. At constant temperature. In this lab activity, we are going to find the melting point of the ice. Melting point of the ice. See this one. For that one, the materials needed: a glass beaker and few ice cubes. Okay, these are the ice cubes. Next, I have taken the support of the wire gauge, okay, and a retard stand. A retard stand. So before doing the experiment, what I have to do? Take the retard stand and arrange a circular, what we call it, a circular holder, okay, on which I kept the wire gauge. Next, I have taken some ice cubes in the glass beaker. I have taken some ice cubes in the glass beaker. Now, see this. With the help of the laboratory thermometer, observe this one. This is the laboratory thermometer. Now, this laboratory thermometer is showing, observe this one, 25 degrees centigrade, means the room temperature is how much? 25 degrees centigrade. Now, I kept the thermometer inside the ice cubes. Inside the ice cubes. Give some paper because it is not holding. I have taken the laboratory thermometer. I inserted or I kept the laboratory thermometer inside the ice cubes. Inside the ice cubes. How I arranged this laboratory thermometer? The bulb of the thermometer should touch, is always in contact with the ice cubes. In contact with the ice cubes. Now, note down the temperature of the ice cubes. Observe this one. The temperature is gradually falling down. Observe this one. Now it is 10 degrees. Observe this. It is 10 degrees. Is it falling down or not? Okay. The temperature is falling down. Observe what happens. Decreased. So the temperature is decreasing. See that? The temperature is how many degrees? Minus 3 degrees. How many degrees? Minus 3 degrees. So what I am doing? I am heating the ice cubes with the help of the spirit lamp. Now see this. Observe the change that is taking place in the temperature to the ice cubes. That heat energy is received by the ice cubes, and ice cubes are the solid form of water. They are the solid form of water. They also consist of water molecules, H2O. Okay, those water molecules are tightly bonded in ice cubes. In ice cubes. So when I supplied required amount of heat energy, the internal energy of the molecules increases. It increases and the breaks. It breaks the internal energy which we supplied, breaks the bonds between the water molecules, and that solid form of the ice converts to liquid form. So that constant temperature at which solid ice melts and converts to liquid, that is water, is known as what we call it melting point of the water. Melting point of the water or melting point of ice. Melting point of ice. Are you clear about that one? So for that one, see here, see this once again. The aim of the experiment is to find the melting point of ice at atmospheric pressure. Next one, what are the materials needed? I told you, beaker, thermometer, ice cubes, tripod, spirit lamp and wire gauge. Next, what is the procedure? First, I have taken few ice cubes in the beaker, glass beaker, and I kept the thermometer inside it. And what is the precaution I have taken? That the bulb of the thermometer must be always in contact with the ice cubes. Are you clear about that one? Okay. Are you clear? Next, I lit the spirit lamp and I am supplying the heat energy to the ice cubes. Observe this. What is the change that is taking place in the temperature? Observe this one. the temperature slowly rises. Observe this. Observe this. The temperature now it is 0 degrees. Okay, negative to 0 degrees. Means what is happening at 0 degrees? The solid ice is converted to liquid form. Okay, at constant temperature. How long you go on heating? How long you go on heating? The entire ice melts to liquid. That is, it converts to water. So the entire temperature remains constant. That is how much? 0 degrees centigrade only. Observe this one. There is no rise in the temperature. Are you clear? Now see this one. Let us wait. Applying the heat energy, but the temperature remains constant. That heat energy which we are supplying with the help of the spirit lamp is utilized to change the phase of the substance. Phase of the substance means phase in the sense solid to liquid. Okay, that heat is known as what we call it latent heat. What we call it latent heat, hidden heat. We call it as the hidden heat. How long you go on heating, but the temperature remains constant. That temperature, that constant temperature at which the solid converts to water or liquid form is known as what we call it melting point. What we call it melting point. Here I have taken ice cubes, so it is the melting point of ice cubes. So what is the result we observed? The result is melting point of ice is how many degrees? 0 degrees. It is 0 degrees. Observe that one. What is the temperature there? 0 degrees. Okay, the melting point of ice is equal to how much? 0 degrees centigrade. Are you clear? So, right, make a note of it.